This is a short video. Had a lot of people asking about the harness. I've had these on other trailers and they worked great. It's about 10 degrees today. This is the, what do they call it, like the Arctic Blue or something other, but an example here. As you see, even all frosty, see how flexible it still is? You can stretch it all the way forward, loop it around. With your factory one, usually too stiff and brittle, but pretty easy. I think I paid 55 bucks for it. And when it gets cold, it's more than worth it. And they look cool. Huh, buddy? He's on the harness because he doesn't know how to always stay home. Anyways, any more questions, just let me know.